What is up, guys? So today we're going to be going up to Logan Canyon to Franklin Basin. We'll be taking the Razor up there today, so let's get loaded up. Alright, you guys, as you can see, got it all loaded up. Just gotta stop, get some fuel and get some drink, and then we'll see up there. Okay, see ya. Alright, made it. We're in the beautiful mountains. Let's go. He's driving?
Barely.
Oh. About to pull the old Bartleby out here. Get some sick shots. Beautiful up here. Holy. Them frogs are loud. What do you say we should pull the drone out and get some drone footage?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, guys, I think that's going to wrap up our trip. We'll head down back to the truck after an amazing time hiking, going to Hell's Kitchen, and going and seeing these lakes up here. It's been awesome. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to head back to the truck. So thanks for tagging along.